The Kia Ceed, a popular car in Europe, is getting a new successor, the Kia K4 hatchback. This new model will replace the Ceed and is expected to hit the market by 2020. The K4 hatchback is designed to compete directly with Toyota Corolla, a well-known rival. First, look at the Kia K4 hatchback. The very first pie chart from the Kia K4 hatchback has been taken. These images show the new model being tested in Europe. This is an exciting glimpse of what's to come. The K4 hatchback, which replaces the Ceed, was seen near Hyundai Kia Technical Center in Europe, hinting at its upcoming launch. Unveiling at the New York International Auto Show, the Kia K4, known internally as Ford CL4, was first shown at the New York International Auto Show NYIAS this year. The presentation included both the sedan and a hatchback version, which surprised many in the automotive world. The K4 hatchback's debut in New York created a lot of buzz and set high expectations for its future. Launch timeline: the Kia K4 hatchback will go into series production after the K4 sedan in the USA. In Europe, this model will replace the Kia Ceed as it moves into its fourth generation starting in 2026. Although the Ceed name is likely to be kept in Europe, the new model will be called the K4 hatchback. Powertrain and performance: the Kia K4 hatchback will offer similar engine options to the K4 sedan. In the USA, the K4 is available with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine and a 1.6-liter turbo engine for the European market. It is expected that there will be also an hybrid option, catering to those looking for a more eco-friendly choice. Design and dimension: the design of the 2026 Kia K4 hatchback is modern and sleek. Compared to its predecessor, it has a longer wheelbase and overall length, which means more comfort and interior space. This updated design reflects Kia focused on innovation and creating a better driving experience for users.